Hello and welcome to the first segment of the June 2015 Wine Department Notes, and this will be segment 1 of Constellation Wines. Constellation Wines has a huge investment in data mining, resulting in a project referred to as the Genome Project. The Genome Project analyzes consumer behavior, breaking consumers down into specific types, which can be matched to specific products. The Genome Project also determines the population of specific consumer types near any given licensee, and in doing so is able to predict the likely success of a paired brand within any retail store, as well as be used as an aid to increase sales by any retailer to the most valuable consumers likely to walk through their doors. Using this data, we are able to get beyond selling on price only as a sales tool, and instead, by employing certain techniques, we begin selling on a fact-based approach, which is a meaningful point of difference, and which brings to bear the significant investment Constellation made in this project, translating it down to something potentially tangible in value to every single licensee in New Jersey. And for June, you'll find that we have a couple of different Genome Project programs, which are not only designed to help you earn extra money for executing on the program, but also to help train you and your customers how to benefit more from accessing this incredibly valuable data. Now into some brand topics. Clos du Bois in June has Russian River Chardonnay Rip, 4 cases worth $200. This is an opportunity for you to claim more luxury wine real estate in your stores and restaurants. Consumers are more and more looking for cool climate Russian River Appellation wines, and Clos du Bois has the right wine in this Chardonnay. Estancia for June has Merlot and Chardonnay assorting in the $450 RIP on 15. That's worth 27% in RIP profit dollars against Chardonnay and 21% on Merlot before you mark up even a penny from the invoice price. You can use this to build out your Estancia display, shelf, and cold box. And if your retailer sells Chardonnay at a hot $9.99 price, your customer makes 36% profit if they consider the RIP as part of their profit. This is supported further by a display enhancer. If a customer buys 10 cases assorted of Chardonnay and Merlot and books a display through Raritan Merchandising, there's a display enhancer that will be installed, including a smoker grill. Estancia Pinot Noir continues with its lower price of $12.09. It's now line priced with Cabernet Sauvignon, and we've got the RIP of $150 on 3 in place, which is worth over 34% in RIP profit dollars. If your customer sells this at a hot price of $12.99, your customer is making almost 42% in profit, including the markup and the RIP. That is really valuable to your customers. Pinot Noir continues to be an important growth category, and at $12.09 wholesale, the Estancia Pinot Noir is about 50% less expensive than a lot of its competitive set. And in order to support your efforts, we have a display enhancer for 9 cases of Estancia Pinot Noir purchased and a display book through Raritan Merchandising. A display enhancer will be installed, including a non-stick steel grill cookware set. Estancia Pinot Grigio is an important part of the Constellation portfolio and has a standalone RIP in June of $24 on 1 case, which is $2 a bottle on $9.19 invoice price. That's almost 22% return in RIP profit dollars and over 30% profit if sold retail at $9.99, including the RIP. It also assorts in the RIP with the unoaked Chardonnay for $90 on 3 cases, which is $2.50 a bottle, or more than 27% in RIP profit dollars. And if sold at a hot price of $9.99, returns 36% to your customer in profit, including the RIP. You can use this to build pods for your exclusive brand, Estancia. We're selling over 200 cases a month to over 300 accounts in a year. So when you get this in place, it's a meaningful opportunity that you'll develop an annuity from. Estancia GSM and Cabernet Combo is a virtual combo that we pack in-house that contains 6 bottles of Estancia GSM plus 1 bottle of 3-liter Estancia Cabernet. It's priced at the same price as we sell a straight case of Estancia GSM, which is a 6-pack, and so it's like getting the 3-liter bottle of Estancia Cabernet for free. There's a $15 RIP for each case on top of that. And there's a Genome Project program attached to this email where you can earn extra dollars for selling this product, the Estancia GSM and Estancia Cabernet 3 liter, into a genome-targeted customer. That'll help your customers identify more appropriate customers of their own and develop their business and increase their turns of these products. Thank you very much for listening to this segment of the Constellation Wines Wine Department Notes for June 2015.